Hello traders, welcome to 200forexwebs.com. So guys, my website is 200forexwebs.com. So first of all, good news that we have started the price action forex trading coaching. So you can book your forex coaching for the price action learning. It will hardly take 1 hour to be expert into the forex trading related to the price action strategy. So I have updated it on my website. If you go to my website and click the forex coaching, then you will come to this page. Here it is mentioned that you are going to learn a new skills training, and then it is provided here that the first day training will be for the 1 hour, and within the 1 hour, trust me, you will be the master of price action. There is no need to be to have more lessons, because I have a very key essence. I have a very good material that will tell you that how to enter and how to exit into the trades, and when to take the trade and when not to take a trade. So you will be learning each and everything. For more subscribers who want to learn that how they can prepare their own full day trading signals, they can also learn from me if they are willing to book the full coaching session, and they can learn in this way. If you are just going to book the 1 hour training with me, then guys, you will be going to learn the price action only. But if you want to go with the full trading, then you will be also learning the trading signals method, that is my own trading, and it will hardly take 10 to 15 minutes to prepare those signals. That is very simple. Okay guys, and one more thing, when you take the price action coachings, and then on my website you can see that there is forex trading indicators. So let's go to that page. You can see that I have indicated that 100% no repaint. But when you learn about the price action, then price action means that you will be trading without the indicators. There will be no need of the indicators. So guys, that's a good thing, that that you will be going to remove the indicators from your chart as well, and you will be going to trade the naked charts. So guys, if you're interested to book the coaching session with me for the price action learning, then guys, it's just for 1 hour, and I guarantee that after the 1 hour, when you will look at the charts, you will yourself say that charts are speaking to you, and that's the power of the price section. So guys, if you want to book your coaching session with me for the price section, then please send the emails. You can also contact me on Telegram, WhatsApp. All of the links are provided in the description of this video below. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the YouTube channel and share this video with everyone.